Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 8 to the power x, this is equal to 48. What is the value of x? Now let's prevent a solution from here. We have 8 to the power x, this is equal to 48. The first step here is to introduce logarithm on both sides. So this is log 8 to the power x, this is equal to log 48. So log 8 to the power x, this is in the form of log 8 to the power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 8 to the power x becomes x log 8. This is equal to log 48. Let's divide both sides by log 8 here and log 8. So let's simplify here. Log 8 and log 8 simplifies so that we have x is equal to log 48 over log 8. The next step from here is that we can express 48 as 8 times 6. So this implies that x is equal to log 8 times 6 divided by log 8. The next step is that log 8 times 6, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then you find that x is equal to log 8 over log 8, then plus log 6 divided by log 8. So the next step is to simplify here. Log 8 and log 8 simplifies, so we have 1, so that x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 6 divided by log 8. Now, the next step, again from here, we can express 6 as 2 times 3, so that now we have x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 2 times 3 divided by log 8. Now you find that log 2 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. And therefore, we have that x is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 8. Then plus log 3 divided by log 8. Now the next step from here, we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. And this implies that x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3. Then plus log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3. So here we have x is equal to 1 plus log 2. We have log 2 here divided by log 2 to the power 3. Now applying the power rule property from here, log 2 to the power 3 becomes 3 log 2. Then plus, here we have log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3, which is 3 log 2. The next step is to simplify here. Let's simplify log 2 and log 2 here. So we have x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 divided by log 2. So this implies that x is equal to 1 plus a third. This is the same thing as 4 over 3. Then plus 1 over 3 log 3 divided by log 2. So the next step is that log 3 over log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Let's apply this property so that now we have that x is equal to 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2. But since a third is common here, we can express x as 1 over 3 into the parentheses. This is 4 plus log 3 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. And the next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify from here. Now, if you recall, we have that 8 to power x. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Let's substitute the value of x from here. So we have 8 raised to power a third into the parentheses. This is 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. We can express 8 basically as 2 to power 3. Therefore, we have 2 to power 3 times 1 over 3 into the parentheses. This is 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Now, the next step is to simplify here. 3 and 3 simplifies so that we have 2 to power 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Now, we have 2 to power 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, which you can express as a to power n times a to power m. Let's apply this exponent property. Now, applying this exponent property, here we have 2 to power 4 times 2 to power log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. So this implies that 2 to power 4, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and this is equal to 16. So therefore, we have 16 times 2 to the power of log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Now, 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. So this implies that 2 to the power of log 3 to base 2, this is equal to 3. So let's substitute this 3. So we have 16 multiplied by 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. 2 to power of 3 to base 2, this is the same thing as 3. So we'll have 16 times 3. This is equal to 48, which is equal to 48. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this affirms that the value of x, which is 1 over 3 into the parentheses 4 plus log 3 to base 2, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.